Guess the fruit. I'll draw a fruit. You try and guess what it is. Ready, Benny? Can you guess the fruit? How about now? Can you guess what fruit we're drawing? Okay, drawing done. Can you guess the fruit now, Benny? Ah! Benny, it's okay if you don't know the fruit. Can anyone help Benny out? If you know what fruit it is, yell it out. If you guessed grapes, that's correct. Yay! Great job. Grapes. 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 Here are a bunch of grapes. Grape. Here is one grape.